If you really want to improve the texture, pores, or overall tone of your skin, or perhaps you have acne-prone skin, then the Lactic Micro Peel by Glytone is perfect for you. This contains active 10% lactic acid, which has an amazing ability to retexturize and refine the surface of the skin. So it will really waken it up if you're feeling like your skin is dull and needing a bit of a kickstart. Then adding in a micro peel like this is a great way to do it. It also has amazing antibacterial properties, hence why I mentioned that it's great for oil or acne-prone skins, and really good for preventing hormonal breakouts. Maybe you only get mild breakouts and you would just use it at certain times of the month. It's also perfect for that. Really versatile product, 6 to 8 drops on the skin at night after cleansing and toning if you like to tone. You could introduce it 3 times a week, but really it's made to be a nightly peel. Your skin is not actually going to peel, but you will experience a little bit of spice when you first put it on, so it's a bit tingly for a few minutes and then it will settle down. But a really lovely active micro peel. It also contains hyaluronic acid for extra hydration, but it's not going to be oil inducing and comedogenic, and rosemary and tea tree. So you can imagine that it smells amazing and is going to be doing wonders for your skin while you sleep.